Hi everyone, and welcome back to our How to Use SPSS video guide. In the last video, we learned how to create t-tests. If you missed this video, feel free to go back and check it out. In the next few videos, we'll be continuing to discover a few tasks on inferential statistics. Feel free to follow along to this video or to the screenshots provided in your Power of Numbers book. In this video, we will discuss analysis of variance, or ANOVA, tests for differences. Some research designs require that the researcher look for differences on a variable of interest among 3 or more groups rather than 2. There are many different types of ANOVA tests, but for this discussion, we're going to talk about one-way ANOVA. Similar to t-test, the grouping variable is typically nominal, and the dependent variable must be measured at the interval or ratio level. The example we will be going over in this video will test the following hypothesis. Political conservatives are more likely than political liberals and moderates to believe that boys should play with action figures and not dolls. So let's get right into it. Okay, so step 1 is to go to Analyze, Compare Means, and One-Way ANOVA. Similar to what we did in the t-test, we're going to select a grouping variable to the factor dialog. So I'm going to change these to variable names just so it's a bit easier to read. And we're going to move over the political recode from a few videos back into the factor. Next, we're going to move over the variable mRNI_AF1 to the dependent list. This will calculate the scale of agreeableness to the statement about boys playing with action figures. And we're not going to click OK yet. We're going to go to Options. And we're going to check off Descriptive under Statistics. And we're going to double check that under Missing Values, Exclude Cases, Analysis by Analysis is checked off. Next, we're going to click Continue. And now we can click OK. Okay, so now that this is here, we're going to interpret the results. First, we should look at the mean. Higher means indicate more endorsement of the view that boys should play with action figures and not dolls. We can see from the output that liberals were less likely to agree with this statement, followed by moderates, followed by conservatives. The bottom ANOVA table here includes F statistic and the significance level. P is less than 0.001, indicates a very low likelihood, 1 in 1,000, of observing the differences in means among people with 3 different political ideologies when there are no such differences in the population. In this output, you can see that the conservatives had stronger endorsement of this view compared to liberals, and the chances of obtaining this result when there is no such difference in the population is less than 1 in 1,000. And there you have it. We've successfully created a one-way ANOVA test for differences. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in our next video.